what's going on, YouTube? Got a package in the mail today. Still looking for that low premium generic bullion, and this is another package like that. This one comes from Provident Metals, and they have 1 ounce silver bars random on sale. I believe it was 89 cents over spot. And I went ahead and I picked up some, so I don't know what's in here. These were random bars, so another fun random order to see what we get. And cut into this. In the meantime, you can see in the back there I got my custom pour from Mr. Zeke and my cool Silver Diva pirate bar back there, resting on my CCP slide. Alright, we'll dig into here. Thank you from Provident Metals. Alright, just wanted to get that out of the way. There we go. Let's see what we got. So I ordered 11 ounces. And I got 10 of them in a sheet here. I got some OPM bars. All in the mint packaging. Which, believe it or not, I didn't have any OPM bars. So that's kind of nice to get that. And for the 11th ounce, they threw in a Stagecoach silver with the 1/4 ounce on the back that can be cut into quarters. So I believe I got this for, I think it was just under 18 an ounce, or right around that area. They do electronic check, so that's what I usually do to get the cheapest price. But so there's another 11 ounces to the stack. I have some other packages that came in. I just haven't had time to make videos yet, guys. I'll be getting them up as soon as I can. And I actually have more random silver orders coming from different websites. So I'll be sharing those with you when they come in as well. But happy to have another 11 ounces to the stack, guys. And let me know what you guys think. And thanks for stopping by.